Hi guys, so what I'm going to do now is run through our flashcards. Obviously the alphabet ones, the easy ones, I'm not going to tell you what they are because you know those already. I will tell you, I'll give you a small moment and then I will tell you what the more difficult spelling patterns are. Okay, here you go. Those were the floss rule. So remember that this has two sounds, voiced or unvoiced. Remember the key thing with this is making sure that your tongue is poking out. Remember that this one is up in the bridge of your nose, the w. That's the silent E rule. Remember that the silent E gives its power to the vowel to make its long sound, or basically to say its name. So this would be saying you. Oi. A. S. J. So all of those are the gentle Cindy rule. J. Ow. Oops. E. I. E. Or. A. So remember, we're looking at not the y, we're looking at the y when it is at the end of a word. So when it's at the end of a one syllable word, what sound does it make? I, that's right. And at the end of a two syllable word, what sound does it make? E, that's right. R. O. Now remember that this makes two different sounds. If we're talking about food, it's the oo sound. If we're thinking about good, it's the o sound. This is the spelling ed, but remember that we don't say ed or ed. We actually have three different ways. So there are the three spellings of ed, which is id, d, and t. If you guys practice this, I'm sure that when we get back together, you will be experts. Well done.